Hargreaves Lansdown is the UK's largest fund platform, managing around £120 billion worth of assets for over 1.5 million clients. It offers a range of investment tools, guides, and research, as well as ready-made investment portfolios, plus a new cash management service. Hargreaves ISA and investment products include the Hargreaves Lansdown Stocks and Shares ISA, which can be started with as little as £100 or a monthly direct debit of £25. And you can either choose from 6 ready-made portfolios or manage your investments yourself. It comes with a 0.45% annual platform fee for portfolios up to £250,000, which reduces depending on the size of your portfolio. But remember that there are also additional underlying charges from your choices of investments. Nevertheless, the Hargreaves Lansdown ISA is one of the most popular ISAs in the UK and has won numerous awards. There are also the Hargreaves Lansdown Junior ISA, the Hargreaves Lansdown Lifetime ISA, and the Hargreaves Lansdown Fund and Shares account, which you can start simply and quickly online from as little as £1. Now, Hargreaves has a few pension products too, including the Hargreaves Lansdown Vantage SIPP, which has seen Hargreaves Lansdown voted the best SIPP provider 10 years in a row by What Investment readers. It also has an annuity comparison service as well. There is also Hargreaves Lansdown's Active Savings, which is a cash service that helps customers to find better savings rates, giving them access to a wide range of Best Buy fixed term savings products, which they can switch to at the click of a button. Now, if you are investing in shares, do bear in mind that Hargreaves' online share dealing charges start at £5.95 per deal if there are 20 or more share deals in the previous calendar month. That is then £8.95 per deal if there are 10 to 19 deals and £11.95 for less than 10 deals. That being said, investment choice is one of the key advantages Hargreaves Lansdown has over nearly all other investment platforms out there. Now, Hargreaves Lansdown doesn't restrict your investment options, offering access to over 3,500 funds, shares listed on the UK, Canadian and European stock exchanges, offers corporate bonds and government bonds, ETFs and investment trusts. So as well as this wealth of investment choice, Hargreaves Lansdown also gives its users access to a range of investment tools, including the ability to set stop loss and limit orders, receive real-time share alerts and manipulate interactive charts. Plus, users can access a selection of guides to help them make the most of their investments, such as their pension calculator, there's an ISA calculator, there's a SIPP guide, and also an ISA guide. Hargreaves Lansdown also has a well-known shortlist of funds it believes to have the best potential within their respective sectors, called the Wealth Shortlist. Now, this list is centered around performance potential, with the analysis scrutinizing individual managers, their processes, and even the culture of the associated management companies. Overall, Hargreaves Lansdown is very competitively priced, particularly for investors with portfolios under £250,000, and is widely commended by its clients for its level of customer service and investment choice. A viable alternative to Hargreaves Lansdown is Interactive Investor, which works out cheaper for those with large portfolios, as it charges a fixed platform fee regardless of the amount invested, rather than the percentage amount every year, which Hargreaves Lansdown does. But overall, Hargreaves Lansdown is widely regarded as one of the best investment platforms out there. In fact, that's why it's the largest and most popular in the UK. If you want more on Hargreaves Lansdown's fees, funds, and the recent performance of some of their chosen funds, then head over to our independent review on the Money to the Masses website, which we link to below this video. We cover everything, including how it compares to its competitors.